Remember, these are real spells. Please put on headphones so I don't call entities into your place. Hello everyone, my name is Wicca BluMoon, and today we are going to be doing a candle magic, but we're also going to be including some graveyard dirt, and if you watched my video on that, you know how to obtain it. So this is going to be an addition to that as well for one of the uses. Now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to take some graveyard dirt. I'm going to pour it into the bottom of our candle holder. And you want to get a nice base. What I'm doing is I'm just kind of breaking up some of the big chunks in there until it's about level. All right. So, all right. Now, sprinkle a little bit of salt into it, and with a tool or a stick, what I'm going to be doing this entire thing is for, and I'll read you, to invoke righteous spirit within yourself and creativity. So this is for creativity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing the rune symbol, which if you kind of mess up, you could always shake it around. So I'm going to be there we go. So that one is Kenaz. That right there. If you want to, you can put a little bit of salt right there. All right, so that's going to be the base for our candle. Now for the candle, what I'm going to do is I want to do the same symbol as well, the Kenaz. So I'm going to take my sharp point and dig in there. Alright. Now that that's a little bit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some graveyard dirt and I'm going to actually hack that into the symbol there. And I'm going to put the candle right there. Take some holy water, and I'm going to do 3 dabs. And I'll go with the triple goddess altar tile. Oh, there we go. Don't want to knock that over. And take a little bit of my ash and black salt. Just sprinkle it on top for a little bit. Now I'm going to take a moment to charge it. Now I'm going to say a little bit of a prayer. Goddess, send this rite, send this energy that I bring to the universe to the right place that it's meant to be. As I will it, so it is done. Alright, now we're going to take Alright, so if you want to try this, it'll also help with your creativity. It'll also help connect you to the universe spiritually. That's why I used the velvet candle, because that was my intent. So whenever you charge the candle, the dirt, the base all at one time, you want to put your intent into it. That way it all happens at once. Alright, I'm going to let this burn down, and this will burn down in approximately 14 to 16 hours. And I'll let you know how it goes. So if you like this video, please click that like and share button. And also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the newest videos when they come out. Thank you.